Hey, Bart! Hey, Bart! Hey, Bart! Oh, ah! Yikes, Carl, you scared me. I did? Yeah. Okay. Carl, let me sleep. No. Why not? Because I like cotton candy. Okay, leave me alone. No, I am a cardinal. See, I can make cardinal noises. Try. It can't sound. Let me go to sleep. No. What? I have hair. Fiery hair. Okay, so leave me alone. Hey, want to hear a joke? Fine, what? What do you call a chicken that is black and white? I don't know what. A barred Plymouth Rock. Carl, that was not funny. Sure it was. No, it wasn't. Yeah, it was. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. Carl, let me sleep, please. No! Carl, please. Boom. What are you even doing? I don't know. Here's a pencil I'm gonna write with. Ah, my eye, Carl! You destroyed my pencil. Yeah, so I was gonna draw with that. Draw what? A portrait of you. Wouldn't be good anyways. Like, let me sleep. No, please, Carl. Why? I need sleep. Everyone needs sleep. Even you. Even you need sleep. I do? Yeah. Okay, cool. So, leave me be. Nah, I don't feel like it. Carl, I will slap you. Oh, cool. Carl, this is not funny. Leave me alone. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Carl. What? Please, Carl. I beg of you to leave me alone. For what reason? So I could sleep, gosh darn it! La 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 la. Oh wiggy 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 wiggy, oh wiggy 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 wiggy, stop! Please. Carl. Carl, what are you doing now? Stop. What are you doing, Carl? Carl, what are you even doing? Stop singing. Okay, fine, let's say someone doesn't like the classics. Finally! Hot bomb incoming! Carl, you didn't even touch me. Woo! That's so weird! What is weird? That I didn't even touch you. Let me go to sleep, Carl! Why? So I can rest my brain from all the crazy stuff you do. I'm not crazy. I'm very intelligent. No, you're not. He's intelligent! Carl, please. Fine, I'll go somewhere else then. Oh man, where are you going?
I will find him.
Hey, Trixie. Hi. Can I sleep at your house tonight? Why? What's wrong? Carl. Carl, eh? Yeah. I don't really like him either. I know. He's just so annoying. I was never a big fan of him. Why don't we have the lights off in here? Monsters? There's no monsters. How do you know that? I don't know, Trixie. You're always worried about everything. Yeah? Isn't that a good thing? I don't know. Okay. Yeah, you can sit here. Great. Carl kept jumping on me and, like, saying stuff that makes absolutely no sense. Typical Carl stuff. Yeah, I hate that guy. Wait, how'd you two meet? I don't know. I just really don't know. It almost feels off how we're always together. Yeah? It always feels off. I always feel like there's like a third eye watching us. What are you looking at? I don't know. Huh? Carl, what are you doing here? I wanted to hang out with you, Bolt. And Trixie's pretty cool as well. Did you just mimic my voice? No, I didn't. Hey, Bolt. Leave me alone. No, I'm a cardinal. I know that. What are you? I'm an Oriole. What kind? Bolt Amor Oriole. It's in the name. I'm a flamingo. Cool. Hey, want to go out sometime? What do you mean? A date? No, go catch frogs in the lake. I hate frogs. They're slimy and icky. What do you eat then? I eat shrimp. Carl? He just disappeared. Is he like on the floor? I don't know. Wow! Carl, what are you doing? Being silly, huh? Carl, why are you so annoying? I'm not annoying, I'm just your best friend, Bolt. Hey, best buddy. What? I can't sleep. Why? Because I ate too many nectars. What? I ate too many nectars. You mean nectarines? No. Nectars. Nectar! Do you mean nectarines, the fruit? No, nectars! What do you mean? What are you trying to say? I'm trying to say nectars! What do you mean? Yeah, Carl. Do you mean, what, flowers? Nectars! What are you talking about? Nectar! Carl, please, you're making no sense. Hey, check it out. I have a giant hat. Whoa, where did that come from? What the heck? I don't like that hat. Carl, are you even under there? I'm under the hat. Peekaboo! 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 Peekaboo peek! You can't get rid of me.